How to fix touchpad Windows 10 and 11 not working. If your touchpad is not working, then here are the things you need to do to fix it ASAP. First, come to this startup button menu, right click on device manager. So now come to this place, locate this one that says mice and other pointing devices. Open it here. Then you have two or more here. The first one is HID compliant mouse. Then right click on it, update the drivers. Then click on search for automatically for drivers. Then if this is coming up, the best driver for your device are already installed, then that is good. Then click the second one, then right click and do the same thing. Then click on this one. If it gives you that the best driver is installed, then that is good. But in case you've done this and it's not working, then there is another thing you need to do here before we leave this particular page. So come to this place or any of these, right click on it, update driver, then click on this one, browse my computer for drivers. Then come to this, let me pick from a list available. Then here you have this, then click on any of these, you try it out, then you click on next and you install this driver. Once you've installed the driver, then try to restart your computer. Then if you have done this and it's not working and you are sure that you've fully updated the drivers on your device, maybe your Windows iOS is outdated, then you need to update your Windows operating system. Come to this place, right click and click on settings here. From here scroll down to the base where you see update here, then check for new update here, click your device, update, run, click the update and run the update. So if there's any update here, it's going to fix any bugs or any misbehaving or malfunctioning on the system. So this might help to fix the touchpad not working on your computer. So if you're able to do this and it helps you and if you're not subscribed, please can subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share and drop your comments in the comment section. So I'll see you guys on my next video.